An EnergyPlus input. Data file defines every parameter of a building energy simulation, wall materials, HVAC systems, occupancy schedules, and weather conditions modeled together. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you edit, run, or troubleshoot these building energy simulation files. I've reserved the ultimate tool for the end. It's the kind of magic application that knows how to handle almost any IDF file. Let's try the simple solutions first. IDF files are input data files for EnergyPlus, the U.S. Department of Energy's building energy simulation engine. They contain complete building model definitions, including geometry, construction materials, HVAC systems, schedules, and simulation parameters for energy performance analysis. EnergyPlus IDF files use a plain text format, with comma-delimited object definitions organized by object class. Each object specifies building zones, surface geometry material properties, HVAC component parameters, and simulation control settings, following the EnergyPlus data dictionary. Your application default for IDF should ideally be EnergyPlus from U.S. Department of Energy. To enable complex features within the file, a dedicated proprietary application is necessary. Windows can identify the file but not its underlying structure, so compatible tools must be used. We need to identify a functional opener. Right-click the IDF file and choose Open With. Prioritize EnergyPlus if it shows up. If it is not there, choose any other application, the right one is out there. If you cannot access the IDF file, no problem. Alright, the simple solution is out. We need to isolate the issue with the IDF file. Move on to these essential troubleshooting measures right away. First, running the simulation. Install EnergyPlus from energyplus.net and use the EP launch utility to run your IDF file. Select the appropriate weather data file EPW for your building location. Click Run to execute the simulation and generate energy consumption and thermal performance reports. Next, editing the model. Open the IDF file in the free IDF editor included with EnergyPlus, or use OpenStudio for a graphical 3D modeling interface. Modify building geometry, add or change HVAC systems, and adjust simulation parameters. Validate the model using EnergyPlus's built-in error checking. Finally, analyzing results. After simulation, EnergyPlus generates detailed output files including energy consumption breakdowns, zone temperature data, and HVAC system performance metrics. Open the HTML output report in a web browser for formatted results, or analyze CSV output files in Excel for custom analysis. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.